Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you from Dollar General, doing a 5 off 25. So let's see what things we can find and pick up. Alrighty, the first thing I'm going to start to do is these diapers. I saw on Gma's Couponer YouTube channel that, wait, was it YouTube? It's either YouTube or Instagram. I think it was the YouTube. Anyways, she said that the coupons are glitching. We have, let's see, we have a $3 off one box or $3 off 2 bags. But what has been happening, and this is in the September P&G, that it is just attaching to one item. Yeah, let me show you the coupon. That is the coupon. So we're going to pick up 4 of these, and then I'm still going to try to do spend 15, get back the $5 P&G coupon at the end of the receipt. So I'm going to figure out some other stuff to add with it. Alrighty, the next items I will be picking up is 3 of these in the September P&G. The $2 off coupon is attaching to this, making it $1.75. So I'm just going to make this transaction a whole glitch transaction for right now. Then the next 2 things I will be picking up is 2 of these. There is a $1 off coupon in the August P&Gs that will attach to this, making it $1 a piece. Then my next 2, well, 4 I should say, because I have 4. 4 bottles I'm throwing in from the September P&G $1 off coupon does attach to this, making it free. This is in the regular dish side, not the one that's on the dollar, one that says special, what is it, special value. So you don't want to get those, but these 2 are the ones that the coupon is attaching to, making it free. I'm just throwing it in because it's free. Alrighty everyone, that worked out perfectly. All coupons came off with no issues. $16.25 for 13 items. And even if you want to look, the Love's coupon came off perfectly. And now, right there, we have our 5 off for the next one. Alright everyone, I just got home. I had to cut the video short. I was going to try to bring you another deal, but I had a family emergency that I have to take care of. So sorry for the short video. Hopefully I can come back to you tomorrow with some new deals and all. But you know, life happens. So we're going to keep our eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.